Aloha Stampers, I'm Cheryl Hamilton, and today I want to show you how to make this really cute little bag. The bottom is like a box and the top is a bag. It doesn't have any creases in it, you know, like a normal box, and it holds 3 Lindt Truffles. So it's really simple, and so stay tuned and I'll show you how to make this. I'm starting with a piece of this beautiful, brightly gleaming Specialty Designer Series paper. And this is 6 by 6. And I am going to score it at first of all, I want to say you score the bottom. So most of the papers in this Designer Series paper pack don't have a top or bottom, but this one does. I didn't want my ornaments to be upside down. So you're going to start by scoring it at the bottom at 1 3/8. And then I'm going to turn it, and the tricky thing about this is you're so used to scoring all the way down. This one you're only scoring to the score line that you just made right here. Can you guys see it? Yeah, there it is. Okay, so I just have to remember. So I'm scoring from the edge just up to the score line at 1 3/8, 2 3/4, 4 1/8, and 5 1/2. Okay. Then I'm going to cut the score line on all 4 sides, and I'm going to cut off the little rectangle at the end. There you go. Where's my Stampin' Seal? I'm going to use Stampin' Seal Plus because it's a box. The Stampin' Seal Plus is a little bit stronger, so I like to use it on my 3D items and boxes. So I'm going to put some glue on this little edge. So to use this, you just go down and then you lift it like that, and that cuts it off. Did you guys get that? You just go smoothly along, and right before you get to the edge, you turn it like with the top, but you don't pull it off like this. You keep going in the same direction, and it'll cut it off. Now for here, you're going to put glue there, and no glue on this very end, okay? I just have to, I love this stuff because it's really quick, holds really well. You just need to play with it the first time you get it, and you're really going to like it. You'll notice on this one, I have a different paper on there. That's basically because I put glue on everything and I needed to cover it up with something. Okay. Let me see, the way I'm doing this, let me think about it. So I'm going to take one of the glue parts, and I'm just, I should have scored, have creased the edges before, but this will work okay. So look, this has glue and this does. So I'm just sticking it together like that. And then the next one, I don't think I'm, and then the last one, and then I'm at this part where I've got glue on the edge, and it's easier if you put something in the middle. It's gonna be easier for me to press it down. Sorry, it stuck to my thumb. There you go. So there you have your little box. That was super easy. And now I'm going to put a little lid on it. I'm going to stamp this sentiment North Pole delivery that I thought was really cute with them. This comes from Perfectly Plaid, and I just wanted something, and that was the perfect size for this. So I've cut out a gold foil scallop and then a piece of Very Vanilla out of my layering circles. And so let me stamp it in Night of Navy, because that's the color I've got in front of me right now with this paper. And for these, I think they're just a little bit high on there. I tried to do it in the center, but I'm going to try to put it a little bit lower and see if I like it better. Okay, so that's... Okay, I'm going to glue it. Glue it onto my gold foil piece. Okay, I'm going to make a score line in it where I think is kind of half. I'm just 1.25. Don't cut it. I've done that before. So this is the score blade, and I think that's pretty straight. So that'll just help me make a nice fold on the top of it. I'm going to fold it down. Yeah, it's down further, so I'm going to see how this works. Okay, so I'm going to glue it on the back. You know what, this box is also a cute size for a small lotion or something. It's a neat box because it's so simple, isn't it? And we have lots of 6x6 designer series paper, and I'm glad it works with that. So there's that. Don't forget your truffles before you do the ribbon. I should wait a second for it to dry. Okay, now I'm adding my truffles. Three. I've cut, get in there, I've cut 3 inches of, I've cut 15 inches of twine from this Wonder of Season is what this one is, but anything you have should work really well. I'm trying to make the twine go where the line is. And most of the time, I'll tie a knot so that I don't go too crazy with my bow. So I tie a knot, and then I have time to mess around with the bow. There we go. Isn't that cute? And I think because this one has stars on it, this one I just untied it. For this one, I just used the gold, little gold. dots we have. I can't remember what they're called. And this one, I wanted to put stars. So I found these star designer elements that I thought would be fun to dress it up. I don't know where to put them. I guess just put one here. Okay, try not to squish the truffles. There you go. That was easy, huh? And it's really a cute size. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel, and I hope you give us a try. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.